My name's Phil Garman. I'm a professor in the Department of Psychiatry, and the study that I did was actually funded from an IOA pilot grant, and we were interested in how insomnia affects levels of A-beta protein in the brain. And so we compared a few individuals with chronic insomnia to good sleepers and brought them into the sleep lab overnight, took CSF samples with lumbar punctures, and actually found some evidence that A-beta levels were dysregulated in people with insomnia. And if this were to hold up in a larger study, it would suggest that insomnia increases the risk for developing dementia, but that successful treatment of insomnia may therefore decrease your risk.
Hi, I'm Sade Williams, and we're doing research on African dance. So what this research is basically targeted toward the African American population, and we want to see if they have any improvement in their mood or if they have improvement in cognitive ability. There's a dance class and there's an education class. You're randomly assorted, and then we test and do pre and post tests.
I'm Julianne Hugel. I'm a postdoc in the McKay Orthopedic Research Laboratory, and our primary research focus is improving tendon healing, and this is a particularly big problem in the aging population. So this study showed that delivery of tenocytes taken from a biceps tendon and implanted in a supraspinatus repair actually improves healing in the elderly population of the rat model that we're using to study supraspinatus repair.
My name is Neha Narasimhan. I'm a graduate student in Virginia Lee's lab, and my research project is trying to understand how the tau protein aggregates and causes neurodegenerative diseases, in particular Alzheimer's disease, but also a variety of other neurodegenerative diseases that are known as tauopathies. My project is really just trying to understand why is it that the same tau protein causes these different neurodegenerative diseases, resulting in variability in clinical symptoms and how the diseases form. And I'm trying to understand that by looking at a mouse model to try to see if I can recapitulate some of the phenotypes that we see in humans in the mouse model and actually show the variability that we see with the different tauopathies in a mouse model.
Okay, I am Glenna Brewster, and I'm a postdoc in the School of Medicine and the School of Nursing, and my research is on caregivers of persons with dementia. They've been found to be 6 times more at risk for having cognitive decline themselves, and what I wanted to find out was whether or not poor sleep is associated with cognitive decline. I did find that they have lower levels of fluid cognition, but because of their education, they do have high levels of crystallized cognition.